Welcome to the Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps on how to create text to QR code. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tech guides. First, open Google Chrome and click on the search bar at the top. Type QR code for text and open the website that we used for this example tutorial. You can also explore other options from the search results if you prefer. Once the website is open, enter your text into the provided field. You can adjust the style of the text using the options at the top of the bar. After you enter your text name, your QR code is optional, and selecting a content category is also optional. After entering all the necessary information, click on Customize and Download QR. This will redirect you to another window where you can further personalize your QR code. In the customization window, you can add shapes, a logo, and modify the shape, body patterns, and background of your QR code if you wish. When you're satisfied with your design, choose the format from the drop-down menu and select your desired size at the bottom of the page. After that, click on Download QR code to save it to your device. Once the download is complete, go to your download folder, open the file, and scan it with your device to ensure it works properly. Now you can share this with anyone, and they are just one step away from seeing the magic. And that's it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more updates.